Preparations for NASA's Artemis II mission are underway at Kennedy Space Center. Engineers inside the Neil Armstrong Operations and Checkout Building connected the two major components of the Artemis II Orion spacecraft, the crew and service modules. Once in space, these important pieces of hardware will fly the Artemis II crew around the moon and back. The 10 solid rocket booster motor segments for the Artemis II Space Launch System rocket arrived by rail at Kennedy, traveling from Utah across 8 states in specialized transporters. Kennedy teams also are conducting several water deluge tests at Launch Pad 39B, releasing approximately 400,000 gallons of water onto the mobile launcher's deck, flame hole, and the pad's flame deflector. By helping to deflect overpressurization and suppress the sound produced at liftoff, the water deluge system is critical for protecting the crew, rocket, spacecraft, and pad structures during launch. That's your Artemis Moon Minute.